name is Abi. I took Bola's training. I've actually taken two of his trainings. The first one that I took is the Practical Agile and Scrum, and the second was the PMP bootcamp. I took the Scrum training last year. Prior to taking that, I had already attended another training with another organization, and I realized that what I knew was just theory. If I got a job as a Scrum Master, I wouldn't actually know what to do. So I had been looking for a way to gain that practical experience, and that's what Bola's training gave to me. He was very detailed throughout his teachings. He obviously is very knowledgeable. He knows what he's talking about. We also had a practical session. We actually had the opportunity to do a project and apply Agile and Scrum to that project. So it was very practical. We went through all the Scrum ceremonies, sprint planning, sprint review retrospective. I actually had the chance to be Scrum Master, and someone else had the chance to be Product Owner. So it was very practical, very detailed. I gained a lot. I've had Scrum Master interviews after that, and I was able to, know what to say in those interviews. And not only that, he also provides post-training support. He provided guidance to all my interviews. Whenever I had questions, I would just call him or text him or email. He would always respond. So I gained a lot through that training in terms of practical knowledge. And also prior to that, I had taken the professional exam, that's Certified Scrum Master. I had passed that. But what the training gave me was to give me practical experience. I know people in the same training class who did the professional certification after the training and they passed the exam. So I really do recommend that training if you're thinking of taking the Scrum Master professional exam, or if you just want to get practical experience. It is one training to go for and to register for. You will not regret. So his trainings I highly recommend. He's able to, he has the knowledge, he's able to pass on that knowledge effectively, he trains you very well, you're able to get practical experience, and he also provides post-training support. So I definitely recommend that training to anyone who is, looking to sort of advance in their career and just move forward, basically.